Okay, so we're studying art today, and I have Mercy with me. So, Mercy, can you tell me what we're looking at?
We're looking at a picture.
Okay. What kind of picture is it?
It's a painting.
Right, it's a painting. Do you know who made this painting?
I forgot.
Okay, this is a painting by Henri Matisse. Okay, Henri Matisse is
from France.
Right. This is Henri Matisse. I know it looks like Henri Matisse, but no, it's pronounced Henri Matisse because he's from France.
The capital of France is Paris.
Right. Good job. Henri Matisse is from France. Yes. So he painted this picture. So what I want you to notice in this picture is there are lots of lines, right?
Yeah.
You see the lines?
Yeah.
So can you show me some of the lines over here?
I see some vertical lines.
Right. So these red lines that you see going up and down over here, these are vertical lines, right?
Yeah.
Right.
And I see some waves here.
Some waves over here?
Yeah.
Good. Yes, these are waves.
I see some curves.
Some curves over here.
And some diagonal lines.
Some diagonal lines over here. Right. These are diagonal lines.
Yeah.
They're straight lines, but they don't go straight up or down, right?
Right. Well,
and they don't go straight left and right, kind of like this one. So they're called diagonal lines.
Well, these are horizontal lines, right?
Well, this is kind of like a horizontal line. But what about these? What are these lines over here?
And those are vertical lines.
Right, these are vertical lines. What about these lines?
These are curved.
Yes, it is curved. These are curvy lines. But do you know what this kind of line is called? That goes like this?
No.
Isn't it a spiral?
Yeah, it's a spiral.
Yeah, it's a spiral.
Well, these look like diagonal to you, but actually horizontal. So I'm just going to call these diagonals.
Diagonals? Yeah, they are diagonals. Okay. These are other curved lines. More curved lines over here.
Yeah, and I think, well, I did see some.
Oh, what about these flower stems?
Oh, these flower stems are curved and vertical.
Right, they're curved.
And vertical.
Well, vertical lines have to be straight, so I wouldn't say that they're vertical, but these are vertical, right?
Yeah.
These red lines over here. Okay, good.